When power meets precision. When durability meets intelligence. You don't just get a machine. You get Typhon. At Typhon Machinery, we engineer equipment built for the toughest environments and the highest demands. Every component, every weld, every system designed to perform shift after shift. Our machines aren't just built to work hard, they're built to work smart. From advanced control systems to rugged, heavy-duty construction, Typhon machines deliver unmatched reliability, efficiency, and performance. No matter the job site, no matter the challenge. With intuitive operation, reduced downtime, and low maintenance requirements, Typhon keeps your operation moving faster, safer, and more profitably. Because in today's world, standing still isn't an option. Whether you're scaling production, upgrading equipment, or demanding more from your machines, Typhon is the force behind your success. Typhon Machinery, built to endure, engineered to dominate.